Hello and welcome to the new style Edexcel GCSEs. These are the ones that go from grades 9 through to grade 1. This is paper 1 MA1/2H. It's the second paper in the higher tier. It is a calculator paper and we're picking up in question 11. Okay, we have a circle, we have two triangles. S and T are points on the circumference of the circle's centre O. So this is on the circumference, this is on the circumference, and the centre is O. So that means that that and that are radii of the circle. PT is a tangent line, is a tangent to the circle. So if this is a tangent to the circle and this is a radius, that means that that angle must be 90 degrees. SOP is a straight line. Okay, so this is a straight line. So this angle plus this angle is going to add up to 180 degrees. Angle OPT is 32 degrees, which is given on the diagram. Work out the size of the angle marked X. Okay. You must give a reason for each stage of your working. So as we've already discussed, this is 90 degrees. So that's straightforward. So let's give a reason for that. A tangent meets a radius at 90 degrees. So angle OTP is 90. Okay. So this angle here is going to be 180 degrees minus 90 plus 32. Well, 180 minus 90 is 90, so this is just 90 minus 32. And actually I should really show the calculations, shouldn't I? So angle TOP is equal to 180 degrees, because all internal angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees, minus open brackets, so 32 plus 90. Close brackets. So we have to do this first before we do this. So that's the same as saying 180 minus 90 minus 32, which is equal to 180 minus 90 minus 32. And 180 minus 90 is 90 minus 32. We could shove that in a calculator, or if you know a little bit of mental arithmetic, you know that 2 plus 8 is 10, and 40 minus 90 is 50, so this is 58 degrees. So this is 58 degrees. Okay, so this angle here, because these two angles are on a straight line, this angle here is 180 degrees minus 58 degrees. So angle TOS, is equal to 180 degrees minus 58 degrees. And that's equal to 122 degrees. Add 2 to 58 and you get 60. Add 20 to 60 and you get 80. And then you add 100 to that 60 to get 180. And that's where we get our 122 degrees from. Okay, so this angle here is X. Because the base angles on an isosceles triangle are the same, and OS and OT are radii. Oh, that's the plural for radius. They're both the radius of the circle. So this length is the same as this length. Therefore, this is an isosceles triangle, and base angles on an isosceles triangle are the same. So I'm going to type that. OS and OT are radii, so triangle OST is isosceles therefore oh, and I can't look up to see what the angles were, so the angle would be OST, I'm going from memory now, OST and STO are the same because base angles on an isosceles triangle are the same. Okay, so those two are both S, and I was right, that's STO and that's OST. Alright, so we've got these two are both X. So this angle plus this angle, and since they're both the same, that's just 2 times X. So this angle plus this angle is 2X. So 2X plus that 122 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So 2X plus 122 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. And we don't need a calculator to work out 180 minus 22 because we already know that from here, because 180 minus 58 is 122. So 122 plus 58 is 180. Therefore, 180 minus 122 is 58 degrees. So 2x is equal to 58 degrees. You can check on a calculator if you don't believe me. Therefore, x is equal to 20. Well, I should show all the calculations. 58 degrees divided by 2, because I'm dividing both sides by 2, and 58 divided by 2 is 29. So I shouldn't put that x. So I shouldn't put that 2. That's just x is equal to 29 degrees. Okay, again, if you don't believe me, you can use a calculator, but the way I got it was 50 divided by 2 is 25, and 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 25 plus 4 is 29. Okay, I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in another video.